Hi and welcome to Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank, the Low Carb Cocktail Guy. If you watch my last couple of videos, you'll see that we're doing some Prohibition and classic cocktails. And we're going to continue on with that theme, and now we're going to be making the Ward 8. The Ward 8 is a really nice whiskey cocktail, kind of fruit forward a little bit compared to most whiskey cocktails actually. This is a cocktail that was created in Boston in 1898. A little pre-Prohibition kind of area. This cocktail was created in celebration of Martin Lomasney to the state legislator. He was a really powerful politician in Boston at the time. He was basically a career politician. He had done that for 40 years. And he made it to state legislator. And he's got congressman, a whole bunch of other things that he did at the time. So this cocktail was created for the celebration of his election. This cocktail is basically a whiskey sour, subbing the simple syrup for orange juice. So let's go ahead and get this started. So first off, we're gonna start with a chilled cocktail glass. And my mini fridge is packed. Because we just been through Hurricane Ida here in Louisiana, so my refrigerator's not working, a big one, and so we got a lot of stuff stuffed in this one. Wow. Too much information, I know. So, put a little ice in a cocktail glass, a little Nick and Or glass, and put that aside and let it chill while we build our cocktail. So, in our tin, we're gonna start with some rye whiskey, specifically rye. We're gonna be using Angel's Envy rye. This is one of my favorites because it is finished in a rum cask, so it's got a little touch of sweetness on it, but still has that black pepper bite of a rye. So 2 ounces of our rye. Next, we're gonna go with a ½ ounce of fresh lemon juice. ½ ounce. And that's 1 gram of carbs in that. And next we're going to go with Simply Light orange juice. This is going to have 0.75 grams of carbs because we're doing a ½ ounce. So far we have 1.75 carbs in our cocktail. From here we're going to go with 2 bar spoons of grenadine. Talk about it all the time. Monin Pomegranate syrup is my go-to grenadine. I'll have a link below where you can pick this up on Amazon. It is an affiliate link, so hey, thanks for helping me out. And your bar spoon, I got mine right here. I'm gonna go with 2 bar spoons, and this is 0 net carbs. 1, 2. So we'll add some ice to our other shaker. And give it a good, you know what I call it, hella shake. And there we go. Oh, that smells so good. That smells so good. All right, in our chilled cocktail glass, we're gonna go ahead and double strain this because we're fancy like that. Put that aside. And for garnish, we'll be doing some cocktail cherries. My low carb cocktail cherries. I do need to put a video out on that, but it's super simple. Cherries, rum, and allulose. Pretty damn simple. Now you have the Ward 8. Oh man, that's different. That's really different. This is the first time I had it. I saw the recipe on some classic and Prohibition cocktail lists. I like rye whiskey. I like all the other ingredients. Why not? Man, this is, it almost has a, with the rye whiskey, the orange juice and grenadine and the lemon juice, I don't know what's pushing the other. It's a really nutty taste. It's definitely get the rye. I'm definitely pulling that rye out. Almost like a nut butter. Almost like a peanut butter, but not actually peanut butter. Maybe cashews, I don't know. That's damn tasty. When they celebrated that election, they had a damn good time if they were drinking these. All right, guys, thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a great day. I'm celebrating, and it's not even election time. Oh, if y'all want to see some more Prohibition era cocktails, check out that playlist right here. If you want to see some of my other cocktails, I don't know, let's put my tiki videos. We'll put those right here. But if you don't want to click those, that's fine. But make sure, by all means, click my subscribe button right here. You know, that really helps me out. The more subscribers I get, that's really going to help me out. It just motivates me to push more of these videos out for you guys. All right, guys. See y'all later.